Hello students, and there is a great announcement. You already listened that our aged minister reduced the syllabus of from 9 to 12th standard students up to 30% syllabus are reduced. So I explained elaborately with the particular classes. First of all, I start with 11th standard and what are the different deleted portions. It is not a particular unit are deleted, but from every unit some portions are deleted, and what are that particular portions. And obviously I explained that if a particular portion are deleted, then you can able that particular without that particular concepts you can able or not to realize the matter. Okay, so first of all students, let us start with the 11th standard and then know that particular deleted portions, and then I explain that particular. So let's go through my laptop. Okay, so students, these are the deleted portion of the syllabus, that is the code 042 class 11th, and the topic is suppose this is the chapter 1 and physical world and physics scope and excitement, nature of physical laws, physics, technology, society, and to be discussed as a part of introduction and integrated with other topics. Okay, so you can add or integrate it with the other topics, or you can discuss the as a part of introduction. So a particular teacher can discuss that particular one, but this is a deleted portion. And motion in a straight line, there is what is frame of reference, motion in a straight line, position, time, speed and velocity. And I think students, if this is the deleted portion, is it possible to explain motion in a straight line for that particular portions? And so for the board exam it is okay, but for the realization of physics it is impossible to explain how a particular body is moved in a particular straight line without the speed and velocity. So the for the next part, there is from chapter 5, the laws of motion, intuitive concept of force, inertia, Newton's first law of motion, momentum, Newton's second law, impulse, Newton's third law. And these are the deleted portion. And for the chapter 7, system of particles and rotational motion, statement of parallel and perpendicular axis theorem and their applications. So it's I think it's okay, because the parallel and perpendicular axis theorem and their applications, it is actually it is very important for the joint JEE and for the IIT aspirants, because parallel and perpendicular axis theorem and its applications, each and every year there is a question from that particular portion. And the next one is chapter 8, there is gravitation, Kepler's law of planetary motion, and how the planets are moved in an elliptical path around the sun, with the sun at one of its foci, and also the related concepts with the second and third law, acceleration due to gravity, are also deleted portions. And chapter 9, mechanical properties of solids, elastic behavior, and it is enjoyable part. Most of the students have preferred this chapter because it is a theoretical portions and most of the students can realize easily that particular one. Chapter 9. For chapter 11, thermal properties of heat, temperature, heat transfer, conduction, convection, radiations and all that, it is a very simple one. And the deleted portions is from the thermodynamics, it is much better than the other topic. There is heat engine and refrigerator portion, because the first part is related with the different processes, the thermodynamic process related with, and also the PV and PT PV diagrams related questions. And a heat engine and this portion is not important, too much important for the JEE main or advanced portion. As the next one is Doppler effect, and it is a more interesting topic. When there is a relative change in frequency, then the frequency heard by the listeners is different from that particular one. So it's a very important, and I think this is the enjoyable portions of. So it is also deleted fundamental mode and harmonics. It is very interesting topic from waves and oscillations. And the practical, no investigatory project and activity to be demonstrated. 8 experiments, clubbed based on skills and in place of 12th. And there is an experimental process. It is divided into section A and section B, and from one section 7, and from the other 8 experiments are to be done. That is total 15 experiments are conducted for each of the students, but in this case no investigatory project as well as the activity are not demonstrated, and 8 experiments in place of 12. So every students can take a particular of 8 experiments they are conducted. Okay, so these are the portion of 11th, and for the next topic I discuss with class 12 standard. So these are the, you can pause the video and write down that particular and one, and also you can download a different PDF from internet. Okay, so these are the deleted portions of physics. This is the latest syllabus and students. So thank you.